day, I am Maring Cornation from HRT 2D. For today's vlog, I will be demonstrating the proper way to use an automatic washing machine. I will show you the basic steps from sorting the clothes, adding the detergent, setting the wash cycle, and finally uploading the laundry after washing. Let's begin. To summary, I demonstrated how to prepare use automatic washing machine from sorting and loading the clothes, adding detergent, choosing the wash cycle, starting the machine, finally unloading after the wash. For safety and maintain, here are two quick tips. First, do not overhaul the washing machine to prevent damage. Second, always clean the filter and whip the drum after use the machine to keep in good condition. That's all. Thank you for watching my vlog.